Hello guys, welcome back to Coding for All. Now we will be starting a new playlist, but obviously this will also be included in our playlist of full stack web development. So now we will be focusing on somewhat different things, as we previously were working over the backend work, you can say, and where it include much more focus on functionality, how to develop, what to function, how to function, why, and all that stuff. But you see that the thing is that the user comes on the website, and if the user comes again and again and again, it's not because mainly of the functionality. Obviously it is in the back of the mind, but the focus is how it appears. Is the user getting what the user want? As we have previously did in our 10 talk site, I hope that you have seen the playlist and you are working along with me so that we all may learn and grow together. But just to continue what we have been doing, that this is what we made in the past. I have just uploaded it through my, you can say, GitHub. If you want, I can share the link, and I would encourage you to share the link so that we can see that how we are working, and if there's any issue or anyone is lagging behind, we can help each other just to learn together. That's what we are doing here. So the thing is that now we will be focusing on web design, and we will be working over it on small videos. It won't be a too long playlist because it is much more about the design, and we will be working over it step by step. It mainly has 4 pillars, so let me take you to my slides so that we can do what we want. And if you want, I can share the slides separately too, so that if you want to have some sort of reference, you can. But it is not much more informative than my videos. My videos are actually much more informative than the slides. So let's get on to my slide where I am talking about the web design. So here we are. Now we will be talking mainly about 4 pillars of web design that you can see. Obviously, a building without a pillar will surely fall down. So if any one of the pillar is missing, your building won't sustain for long, and it won't be a friendly or what you are desiring for. So the first pillar is color theory. So the color theory we are going to emphasize because color plays an important role in user interference, user experience, and any web design format. So it is really important for you. We will be focusing on obviously free resources so that we can utilize those resources into the best manners that won't stop us becoming full stack web developer, and there won't be any reason to stop from becoming a full stack web developer, and there won't be any reason for you not to like, share, and subscribe this. Okay, it was a lighter note, but I would encourage that. So the second pillar is user experience. So it is really very important because you got to know that where you need to place the button, what will be the size, you can say size of the text, h1, h2, h3. I hope that you have already seen the things in our previous videos where we were focusing on what to write, how to write, font size, font family, all that. We will be focusing on that later on. But what color you will use will be explained in color theory. User experience, and what experience are you going to create? It must be user experience, user friendly. You have been, I can say, using this word. You might have heard this word millions and billions of times, and this is now what we will be making. And this won't be so easy, so that you may know that how hard work is there at the back end when you are doing such things. So other thing is user interference. Ignore my spellings. I'm very really bad with my spellings. So anyway, user interface, it is going to be that how the site will appear, what will be the design of the site. We will be emphasizing over it, and we will be working over it so that we don't suffer in the future. The last thing that we will be focusing on is typography, or you can say typography. So this is what text you are going to use, text size, text family, weight, pixels, percentage, rem, each and everything that we have been using. But now we will be seeing what is the reason behind that thing, or how we can make it much more better than we did in the past. So each and every step is going to make you a better full stack web developer, and is going to improve your skill. That will surely help you in the future, in the present, and will make you better than you were in the past. So that's the theme of a new, you can say, playlist and new upcoming videos. So I hope that you have enjoyed the previous videos, and Thank you for being so long, and I would encourage you to stay till the last step, because believe me that you will become a full stack web developer after you are done with this. And obviously I won't be able to give you a certificate, but you, after practicing what we have learned here, after getting some hands on it, you will become a full stack web developer. Believe me, mark my words, and you can earn it. I was interested in teaching. Either you can teach it further, or you can just utilize your skills to earn and learn and whatever you want. You can even brag that I'm a full stack web developer. You see, huh? Okay. So anyway, now coming to the conclusion, actually this video was just to inform you that this is what we will be working over next time from next week. So stay tuned, follow all the videos, follow what I have been saying and what I have been doing, share your work so that you can see, analyze each other's work and can learn from each other. Come to any of my social media channels so that we can grow as a network together. Up till next week, thank you very much. Good luck. Bye.